let's talk about the rise of AI and reporting in general. And the future is upon us. A lot of people say, in the future, we will be doing this. I feel if you're not on top of your data and reporting right now, you are behind. And if you're not bringing AI into your business with a strong hypothesis and a starting point with declarative user stories, you are behind. So Sherry, you sit at the crest of this data wave, and not just data, but how you use the data, how you activate the data through automation. Where do you see this going?
So AI, of course, is the future, and the future is today, very much like you said, Frank, but it's about the smart implementation of AI. We've actually seen a lot of customers use AI for the sake of AI, where they want to stay with the market. Our job as, again, advisors and consultants is to understand processes that could use optimization and then use kind of the right implementations of AI to help in those. Some use cases kind of within contact center could be automating the process of cleaning your data. So let's say one of the use cases is that you have is data inconsistencies or redundancies. You can use AIs to ensure those are identified, those are addressed, allowing you to make, again, faster and better decisions. You have the world of predictive analytics. That's one of the most exciting ones, where you could have a visualization in front of you, very similar to the ones I shared, where you can ask your visualization to the question around future analytics, predictive analytics, and you would get some really good answers. So now you're not looking at year for year in the past. You can actually plan for the future based on historical data that you've gotten. Real-time insights will get faster and better with just the capability that AI provides you to ingest and process data. You might actually be able to get more insightful information available much faster. Another buzzword that we have nowadays is NLP, so natural language processing. Now, what NLP can actually do is it comes back to that point of context. It can take a voice recording, or it could take a transcript, and it can actually give you actionable insights based on that. Now, when you do that at scale, you not only save a lot of cost because there's no one that needs to really listen to those and take out those insights, but now you're getting access to data points that you never had before. You'd be able to understand sentiment at a level that maybe didn't even exist for you before. So again, the smart implementations or the correct implementations don't necessarily have to be very expensive. They have to give you a competitive edge based on the infrastructure that you have today and where you're looking to get to tomorrow. Other simple things, again, that we've touched on a little bit today, as well as just having those more advanced integration capabilities. As AI grows, as your cloud-based solutions and vendors grow, you're going to have the process of systems talking to each other be a very, very normal thing. It's not going to be a challenge anymore to connect one system to another. It's almost going to become understood that if you have two systems, they always talk to each other. So again, a huge opportunity in the market for people that are listening and for people that really want to go a little bit further than they have before.
It appears there's a cost to inaction. There was a great statement made long ago. It was kind of put forward like this: is how do you open up a small business? You open up a big one and wait. And so that is fundamentally, I believe, how AI is going to impact organizations. And you're right, there is a starting point and there is a time to start. And I love the way you outlined that. It just seems like everything is going to move faster and more precise.